Okay guys, welcome back to my video. In this video, I will explain about how to deploy OpenClaw or AI agent to AWS cloud. So we will deploy AI agent for assist us in any working or other activities. So that's it can help us for do that. Yeah. So OpenClaw is AI assistant that can deploy in AWS and used in another application like Telegram, Discord, or Google and other. So now before we deploy uh, OpenClaw, we need the place for deploying this agent. So we will use AWS for begin become a cloud or VBS for deploying OpenClaw. Okay, now for the first step, yeah, for the first step we must enter to aws amazon.com, yeah, slash console, because we will enter to console. So for you that uh, haven't any account for aws, you must create it first before you can use aws cloud. Yeah. Actually, AWS Cloud is payment. We must pay. I'm sorry. Yeah, there's a price for using AWS Cloud, but for new user, there is a discount or free trial for 6 months. So if we want to learn about AWS Cloud or AWS another AWS tools, we can use for free for 6 months. So after 6 months, uh, I think we must upgrade or change our account to a pro account, so we must pay some price. Okay, if if you doesn't has and if you doesn't have any and if you don't have any account, you can click here create account. So if we have, because I have an account, so I will sign in. Okay, click sign in. So I will check. Okay. Oh, I will post it first, I guess. I'm sorry. Okay, I will continue, I guess. I'm sorry because I must pause it first. Okay, next. Yeah, if you have an account, so you can sign in. Sign in and wait a minute for reload. I'm sorry, I think my connection is not good, so it will take some time. Okay. Eh, sorry. I'm sorry, my aunt called me. Okay, continue. Okay. In here, I don't know what's the main of this page, but because I register myself by using email, so I will click here for connected or for sign in by email. Yeah, so if you sign up or register yourself by using email, so I think you can click here too But if you understand about this, you can sing in with this too. Okay, we'll click it. Okay, you can click root user, and you can enter your Gmail that you use for registering before. So we'll enter my Gmail. I'm sorry, 7@gmail.com, and next. Okay, you can enter your password. Okay, nah, now we are in dashboard of console AWS, and yeah, there there are so many tools from AWS Amazon, and for cloud that we will use for deploy Agent AI, we use EC2. EC2, there is you can click, or I think if you didn't use these tools before, you can search in here and you can type EC2. You can click it. Now after this, you can click this button, launch instant, and it redirect to now we can make the cloud in here, but and you can give the name or text up to you, and I will use my name, Rafi, bas OpenClaw. It's up to you guys, so you can use your name or just OpenClaw or Trying Lab and other name you can use. And now you can change the OS image. This that's the OS you use for deploy the Agent AI. And in this video I will use Ubuntu Linux, yeah, because it's more easier. And for my Ubuntu, the version is I use 24.04 LTS, so I will change it. You can click confirm changes. Okay. After that, after you choose the OS that you use, next we will change the instance type. Yeah, for free trial or free account, the instance type is very less than or little than uh, so I will use T2 medium. Yeah, T2 medium because it has 4 GB memory. Yeah, OpenClaw has a repository very big, so I recommend to you for using up to 2 GB for deploy this Agent AI. Yeah, so I will use T2 medium. And next is key pair. If this this deploying is your first time, you can create new key pair by using this button. You can click here and AWS will give you new key pair that you can use that for connect to SSL AWS. But if you have a key pair, you can use that. So I will use my key pair because it's not my first time. So I have the key pair that name is OpenClaw bus key. The name is up to you too. So you can create by this button, and you can give the name up to you. And uh, after create, I think AWS will ask you to download that file. If the name is like this. Sorry. Oh no. This the key pair will download with this name or this type .pem. Yeah, so the name is OpenClaw base key. That's the name that you give for key pair. So the type of file is .pem. So the name is OpenClaw base key.pem. You must know where you put your key pair, because you must connect your SSL in this folder that you put your key pair. Yeah, okay. After you have key pair, now for network setting. So uh, you can, because it's for trying deploy agent AI. So I think you can enable this low SSL traffic from, and the source is anywhere because it's just for trying or practice. So we don't need any security or any policy that will restrict our connection. So the source is from anywhere, is no problem. Okay, next, configure storage. I recommend that, and storage is up from 15 gigabyte, because OpenClaw has a big repository that mean the size is very big. So I will use 20 gigabyte, and the file system is known. Okay, after I finish configure this cloud, yeah, the name, and that is OS image is, I will use Ubuntu with version 24.04 LTS, and instant type I will use T2 point medium, and for key pair I will use OpenClaw best key, and network setting I allow SSL traffic from anywhere because it just from practice or example. And for storage I use 20 gigabyte. Okay, you if you have done this configuration, you can continue by click this button, launch instance. Okay, you can write, I think it's okay. After finish, you can click this uh, and this code. Now, after entering this page, you can wait some minutes or some moment until the instance state is running. Now we can see here instance state still pending, so we will wait, or we can click reload. uh, after that's changing to running, we can continue to connect AWS cloud in Linux. But before that, I will explain something. This private IP DNS name that we will use to connect to this cloud from Linux or from Ubuntu. So I remember to you for uh, what we say for connecting your Linux or Ubuntu to internet, because in this lab or in this practice we will use internet for connecting uh, Ubuntu with the cloud and for install some repository from OpenClaw. Yeah, so yeah, we can check first. Instant type is T2 medium and its south is I think if you create a new account, the place is not in Asia. So if your place is not or uh, is in Asia Pacific or Singapore, I think you can change it first before you make instance. I'm sorry, I forget to remember it. So if you want to make instance, you must to change this place or region first. So because there is no Indonesian here, we can use Singapore because it's nearest than other. Yeah, Seoul, Osaka is far from us. Sydney is far too. So I think Singapore is nearest from Indonesia. So you can click here because if uh, the region is false, it's not good. Yes, because this will use in Southeast or Asia Tenggara. And yeah, okay, if we have done all of about it, we can click connect. We can see here open an SSL client and locate your private key file. The key used to launch this instance is OpenClaw bastkey.pem. And for the third is run this command if necessary to ensure your key is not publicly viewable. So we must restrict our file or our key file to just read. Yeah, no one can write or change this file. Okay, in this lab I will not use Ubuntu in my laptop or in my computer, but I will use VMware. So just virtual machine that uh, use Ubuntu. So I will open VMware Workstation Pro. It's up to you if you want to use OS in your laptop or your computer with Ubuntu. It's no problem. By desktop or by server, it's no problem too. But I will use desktop in VMware. So for memory, I will use 4 gigabyte. Processor is 2, and for hard disk is 30 gigabyte. And the network adapter is not. Yeah. Okay, I will power on in this virtual machine. Okay, we will wait first. It's Ubuntu, I guess. Okay, this is my Ubuntu. Okay, I will enter my password. Okay, after enter the Ubuntu, you can use terminal if you use a desktop like this. Before that, after you install the keybar, if you download it in Windows, you must move this file to your Ubuntu. But if you have done in Ubuntu, I think it's good. So I have uh, move or copy this file to my Ubuntu. So you can see in my file here in download, it's OpenClaw key.pm. So yeah, I'm sorry. So I can start now. Okay, for the uh, first point, first thing that you must ensure is you must know where is you put your file or your key where you put it. Yeah, because I put in download folders. So in terminal I will enter to downloads too. So the command is cd, and the name of file, if the name of folder is downloads. In terminal you must to ensure your type. If you use capital, you must write capital, and if you write non-capital, you must, or lower, you can type lower. If there's s, you must type s. So type is very important in terminal. Yeah, if you just download without s, so no such file or directory. So you must type correctly. Yeah, so I will downloads. So again we can take my in this folder, any file in this folder, we can click ls or release, and you can see here the file in this folder is OpenClaw keep.pem. So for the first, we will restrict this file so no one can change or write this file. The comment is I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Yes. Yeah. The comment is change mode, or we can type chmod, and the number is 400 because its mean is just read. Yeah. I'm sorry, it's my friend. I guess I will answer it first. Okay. Change mode 400, and the name, or yeah, the name of file. So OpenClaw with key dot pm. I'm sorry, dot pm, and enter. So after that we can connect to SSH, connect to SSH. I'm sorry, SSH base I, and OpenClaw is name of key of fire. I'm sorry, key fire. So you can OpenClaw key dot pm and space Ubuntu at AC2 and bus. After that we can see here ACT, AC2 bus 54, bus 179, bus 25, bus 132. So 54, 179, and 25, 132, 32. Yes, 32 dot ap bus south is point Amazon, point Amazon AWS.com. Oh, I'm sorry, there's a mistake, I guess. After southeast is bus 1 dot compute dot amazon dot aws.com. Are you sure you want to continue connecting? You can type yes and enter. After that we can click clear for remove another type. Okay, and here for the first step is we must update and upgrade the application in this Ubuntu or this cloud. So sudo apt update and sudo apt upgrade. Okay, we will write first and I will answer my friend first. Okay, and do you want continue? Click Y and enter. Check it, guys, because I'm afraid I have talking long time but it's not record. It's very problem. Okay, after finish, next we will download Docker. That so you can click sudo apt install docker.io. I'm sorry, I forget. Yes, no problem. Yes, click Y, I guess. I'm sorry. Okay, finish. Next, we can take the Docker version. So you can click Docker base version. That's the version of Docker. So we have done for installing this Docker. So next, before we continue to deploy OpenClaw, I will make a new user. So this user focus in uh, applying OpenClaw. So if there is any mistake or problem or corrupt another, that will give the impact just for this user, not all of the cloud. So for first step, we can click sudo as user. I will give name OpenClaw. New password, it's up to you. Retype the password that you give before. And for the full name, I will give Rafi Bas OpenClaw. It's up to you. Enter, enter, and enter, and enter. And is the information correct? Why? Okay. After you make a new user for OpenClaw, next you must give the user or the new user access for give a command like sudo or docker. So you can click sudo user mode bus ang sudo and OpenClaw and enter. So after that, you must make a direction in the place of new user before, for place for SSI and other. So sudo make direction, make dir p, that name is home is and OpenClaw and .ssi and enter. Okay, after make we can copy SSL place before in cloud to OpenClaw user place. So you can click sudo cp from home because Ubuntu, because it's in the cloud. Ubuntu main SSL and authorized keys to home and OpenClaw and join SSL. And after this, you can click enter. After copying, we can change the owner. So you can click sudo count min r in this for all of in this place. OpenClaw at home at OpenClaw point SSL and enter. Okay, after that we can change mode. So change mode 700 place home OpenClaw and point SSL. If you want to see the comment of because you feel difficult for see in this video, I will take it in my description, so you can write, I guess. Okay. And next is change mode for 600 in home and OpenClaw and SSL and authorized keys. Sorry, keys. Okay. Okay. And next, we will check if we log into the sudo or in this OpenClaw, because now we in the mine of cloud, so we will move to OpenClaw. So sudo sudo and OpenClaw. You can see here the difference is before the name is Ubuntu and now is OpenClaw. Okay, and here we will update first. Sudo update password. Okay, after update we will install Docker in here. So sudo apt install git curl certificates docker.io and docker bus compose and bus y. Sorry, sudo apt install git certificates. Oh, I'm sorry, there's a typo here. Just install, not install. Install. Okay, we can wait. I will pause because it will take a long time. Okay, next is give for user mode G for Docker in OpenClaw. There. Okay, after that you can exit again. Okay, now we try to connect again. So SSL OpenClaw key.pm and OpenClaw 254 25 132. Okay, so this one compute Amazon AWS.com. Okay, we can log in now. Okay, now we will clone the repository of OpenClaw, I guess. So now git clone https github.com openclaw.git. Okay, it will take a long time too, so I will pause again. Okay, we'll continue. Next, after done, we can enter to OpenClaw that we have download before or cloning before. So cd OpenClaw. Okay, we can enter, and now we must see uh, what is there in his repository. So you can see type ls or list, and yeah, in here there's the what we say, the file that important is here, docker compose.yml, and page.json that we will extract with Node.js or Node JavaScript. So okay, installing is done. So now we will install Node.js for extract this file, I guess. So we use Node.js. So now is curl fnsl and https, I'm sorry, this https deep point node source.com and set up. We need version of Node.js is 22, it is up to 22. So set up, underscore 22.x, because yeah, up to 22, yeah. 22 and sudo a bus oh, I'm sorry, yes, a typo, yes. Okay, control C. Again, there's a typo, I guess. There's a setup, not setup. Setup, the means of setup, I guess. So we'll give okay, the password. Okay, we will wait for installing Node.js. Okay, finish. I'm sorry, I think I'm finished, done. So next is installing the Node.js. Sudo apt install mini Node.js. Okay, we will wait and wait. Okay, finish. And next we must check the version, because we need the version of Node.js is up to 22. So node bus v, and we can see the version is 22.22.2, and we need npm too. So for checking, we have done install the npm. We can see the version. If there is the version, that's mean we have done install the npm. So npm, okay, there's no version 10.9.7. okay, next is we must, or in this the deploy, and we will install the OpenClaw. So sudo npm is for this, sudo npm install g and OpenClaw. Okay, enter. Okay, we will wait. Okay, we'll pause because I think it will take a long time. Okay, if this type like this mean is have finished for installing OpenClaw, I guess. So we can see the version of OpenClaw space version, the version of OpenClaw. I'm sorry, guys. And next is setup of the OpenClaw. So is OpenClaw on board. No. Okay. I understand this is personal by default and share multi-use user requires lockdown continue. Yes, you can use this what uh, point, yeah, and we'll use yes and enter. Setup mode because it's just for practice. I think quick start is recommended, I guess. So enter quick start. And for model or out provider, I use OpenAI too. And ChatGPT Codex browser login. Okay guys, I will continue guys before there's a problem, but I will continue from this. Okay, I will fastly I guess, because there's I think my laptop is not support. So this requires lockdown continue, yes, and we will use quick start because it's just for practice. And model or out provider I will use OpenAI, that is and for this ChatGPT Codex browser login. Okay, and next is copy this link, copy and open browser in your Ubuntu. Okay, and paste. Okay, now you can enter your email that has account from ChatGPT, and my account is this. Okay, and next is continue. Okay, after this you can click here and copy all of the links. Yeah. Copy and go to terminal and paste here and enter. This will be preparing. Yeah, we will wait for seconds. Okay, we'll pause first. Okay, next is default model. We can use OpenAI GPT for 5.5 I guess, and enter, and we wait again. Okay, for channel, for now we will skip for now, I guess. Skip for now because we not use channel for now. I won't use Telegram or Discord or other. It's same. Skip for now. I'm sorry. Skill no for now. It's space. Skip for now and enter. Okay, we will wait first. Okay, now hatch in terminal and enter. Now we know we will enter to TYI or what's the session engine. The thing is will take long time. I will pause first. Okay, now we are in uh what's engine of OpenAI. So this the AI, hey, I just came online. Who am I and who are you? So the AI asks about himself and about us. So we can answer in here. We can keep it simple. Tell me what you want to call me, what I am, what kind of vibe you want, and yeah, you can answer. Hello, your name is Cloud, and you are assistant AI for network. And automation. Auto. No, for network learning. Uh, my name is Afi. Nice to meet you. And enter. Yeah, we will wait the answer. I will post first, I guess. Okay, and the AI will answer. Nice to meet you too, Ravi. I saved the basics. I'm Clau. I'm your assistant AI for network learning, and you are Ravi. I add a first memory note for today. And now we have agent AI for ourselves, and we can ask anything or asking for help or assistance for our learning or for our discussion and other but with this AI. Okay, I think just that for this video, yeah guys, because I just explained about how to deploy OpenClaw in AWS, and now we have done for deploy this OpenClaw, this agent in AWS Cloud, yeah guys. Okay, thank you for watching and goodbye.